Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to see exercise 5.2 11th question, and I will just add the previous videos in the description of the last 10 questions that has been solved by myself in the previous videos of exercise 5.2 arithmetic progression, right? So today we are going to see the 11th question. The 10th question I already discussed in the previous video. Kindly watch that video and come to this. The 11th question, which term of the AP 3, 15, 27, 39 will be 132 more than its 54th term? Okay, now first just write the given from the question. 3 oh, 3 15 27 39 and it goes on. So this is the sequence. Now A will be equal to 3. The common difference will be 15 minus 3, that is nothing but 12. That is same for the entire sequence, as because it is an AP. We need to find the nth term, right? So we need to find the value of n such that they have, yes, wait, we will just find the nth term more than its 54th term. Okay, first we will find the value of A54. In this A54, we know that the value of A is given, the value of D is given, the value of n over here will be 54 because we are going to find the 54th term. So the n value is 54. So A54 equal to A value is 3 plus n value is 54. Therefore 54 minus 1 is 53 into the D value is 12. Right? So upon simplifying this, you get the value of A54 is 639. A54. That is the 54th term of the sequence given. 3, 15, 27, the sequence. The 54th term is 639. Now, just see the question now. Which term will be 132 more than its 54th term? So they are asking us to find the value of n. The 54th term is 639. Now add 132 to this, right? So 639 plus 132 is what the given question already tells us. So 771 is the nth term. Just understand what I am trying to say. This is the nth term. We need to find the value n, right? So 771 is which term? Which term is 771 is what the actual question is. So nth term is 771. Therefore, the formula an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This formula repeats for all the sum. Only thing is you need to come to this formula. Before that, 2 to 3 steps you need to work it out with respect to the given question. That's what the entire AP is dealt about. 771 is the an value. So we need to find the value of n over here. The a value is 3. N is don't know. We need to find that. The value of d is 12. So this 3 goes there, and multiplication, everything, if you do like that, 771 minus 3 will be 768. 12n minus 12, again this 12 over there. So 768, 777, 80, 12n. So the value of n is 65. So the 65th term from the question we get 65th term was 132 more than its 54th term. So this is asked in the 11th question, which term is 132 times 132 more than, not 132 times, 132 more than its 54th term. So the 65th term is 132 more than its 54th term is what the answer is, right? Now we'll see the next question. 12th one, right? Two APs have the same common difference. The difference between their 100th term is 100. What is the difference between their 1000th term? Okay, two APs, right? So two APs have same common difference. Okay, first is again the general formula or the general format of the AP, an a plus n minus 1 into d, 100 and 1000th term. Okay, first we will find the 100th term, the logic, that is a plus 99d. Similarly for 1000, let it be a1 because we don't know the actual number value, so a2 is nothing but 999d, a2 plus 999d. So from the question we get two APs have the same common difference, two APs, right? So I'm just naming it as to be a1 and a2, right? The starting value of this AP is a2 and starting value of this AP is a1. The difference between their 100th term is 100. What is the difference between their 1000th term is what the question. Okay, so from the question we can write a1 plus 99d, this one a100 minus a2 plus 99d is equal to 100. So yes, two APs, right? So two APs, okay, two APs are present, and that two APs, the first AP is 100th term and the second AP is 100th term, difference is 100. Just understand the question. There are two APs present such that A and B, just consider like that, A and B, leave this question. Two APs present, A and B, A 100, B 100. So A 100 minus B 100 is 100. So that's why A 100 minus B 100 is 100. I represent that as to be A1 and A2. So A1 100, that is A1 plus 99D minus A2 plus 99D is equal to 100 is what the first half is dealing about. So upon cancelling, 99D minus 99D is 0. So A1 minus A2 is equal to 100. The first term of two APs difference will give you 100, right? Similarly, A1 plus 999D minus A2 plus 999D will again lead you 100 is what the question, right? Is what the question. So again with this we get A1 minus A2 is equal to 100, right? The same thing which we got here. So they are asking that the difference is, what is the difference between the 1000th term, right? The difference between the 100th term is 100, the difference between the 1000th term is also 100. We get the same thing, right? The difference between the 100th term is 100, the difference between the 1000th term is also 100. So the difference is that is the difference between the 1000th term is 100 is what the conclusion point of the 12th question, right? Okay, we will see the next 13th question. First I'll rub this. Yes. Now 13th question. How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? Okay. First they are asking the number of 3 digits. How many 3 digits, right? How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? First we need to find the least 3-digit number which is divisible by 7. So that will be the first term, that is A. Therefore 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105 will be the first term. So the value of A1 is 105. Now D value is 7 because we know they are asking us to find the divisible by 7 only. So the D value is 7. The N value is, they are asking how many numbers. So with this we need to find the AN value so as to find the value of N, because if you don't know the value of AN as well as N, then we cannot find any of this either. So we are going to guess out what is the value of AN by simply dividing the highest number 999, that is the largest 3-digit number, by 7 such that we get a remainder of it, and we can easily find the highest 3-digit number which is divisible by 7. When you divide 999, which is the highest 3-digit number, by 7, you get around a remainder something. Wait, you get 7 ones are 7 and 29 and 14, 21, 28, 19, 7 2s are 14. So you get a remainder 5, right? No, so you should not get a remainder 5. So subtract this remainder 5 to the thing, that is to the dividend, right? So 999 minus 5 is 994, which is divisible by 7. Just check it out. 1, 29, so 4, 28, 14, 2. So 994 is the highest 3-digit number which is divisible by 7, right? So with this we get A equal to 105, D equal to 7. We need to find the value of n which we saw before. The an value is 994, which is the last or the nth term, that is highest 3-digit number which is divisible by 7. So with this we can easily find the value of n by substituting in the formula an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, right? So in the question they are asking us how many 3-digit number, therefore we need to find the value of n. So 994 equals 105 plus n minus 1 into 7. Simplifying this, you get the value of n to be 128. If I simplify this, it takes a lot of time. So kindly just substitute the values from the equation from the given thing. Solve this step by step. 7 into n, 7n minus 7, then simplifying it and finding the value of 7n, then dividing it by 7, you get the value of n, that is nothing but 128. So there are 128 3-digit numbers that are divisible by 7, right? Starting from 105 to 994, there are 128 numbers inclusive of 105 and 994 is the answer, right? So we will see the next question, that is the 14th one. I'll rub this. This is the 13th one question, right? Yes. 14th question. How many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250? Same thing as actually 13th one. Only thing is a small change in the question. I'm not meaning the numbers, but the question that is given is itself, a general thing is being changed over there, but the same format is to be done. How many multiples of 4? Okay, 10. So again we need to find the value of a. So after 10, 10 is not a multiple of 4. So after 10, what is the multiple? The first multiple of 4 is 12. So a value will be 12. And we need to check. Okay, wait. Before that, we can write the common difference is nothing but again 4, because it is a multiple of 4. We need to find the value of n. We need to know, or we need to get the value of an such that we can easily substitute in the formula. The same thing which we did before. 250. When you divide 250 by 4, you get 6, 10, so 2.5. So 62 remainder is 2, right? So remainder is 62. Okay, right? 62. The remainder is 2. So subtracting 2 to 250, you get 248. That will be the last term, that is an. So substituting the formula, 248 is equal to, right, an is 248, an equal to a is nothing but 12 plus n minus 1 into 4. 12 plus n minus 1 into common difference is 4. This 12 goes there, you get 236, nothing but 4n minus 4. This 4 goes there, 240 equal to 4n, n equal to 60. So the value of n is nothing but 60. So how many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250? So 60 multiples are there between 10 and 250 is what the result, right? So such an easy problems that is present in this exercise, and similarly the next 15 sums will also be very easy in this exercise. I will deal it in the next video. And after that you have some values, right? Sum of first n terms. So some formulas are there that is calculating the net sum. Sum is nothing but the addition, right? Net sum. So that will be again very easy. Only thing is, if you understand the question, it will be much easier, right? So don't get panic. Such an easy lesson is arithmetic progression in your class, right? Yes, we will deal it further in the next videos. Now we will see what is the 15th question is. For what values of n are the nth terms of first AP and second AP are equal? Okay, fine. So for the first sequence of AP, so we will mean it has to be sequence 1. Sequence 1, right? Sequence 1, the value of A is 63, the first term. The value of D is 2. So the AN, we don't know the value of n over here. We need to find it. So 63 plus n minus 1 into 2. So that gives you, it is an, right? An equal to 63 plus 2n minus 2. An equal to 61 plus 2n. We don't know the value of n that we need to find. So the an value of the first sequence is 61 plus 2n. Similarly, sequence 2, kindly have your textbook with you, okay? So it will be very easy for you to understand and follow up what I am doing here. The common difference over here is 7 in that sequence, that is 3, 10, 17, and it goes on. Again, finding the value of an, a plus n minus 1 into 7. So that is equal to 3 minus 7 plus 7n. So an equal to 7n minus 4 or minus 4 plus 7n, whatever it may be, nothing wrong in that. So they have given in the question is for nth term of the two APs, for what value of n are equal. So therefore with this we can arrive that 61 plus 2n is equal to 7n minus 4. With this given question, we need to find the value of n. This is the condition that is given in the question. For this condition, what is the value of n is the question asked, right? So bringing constants to one side, 61 plus 4 equals 7n minus 2n. 65 equal to 5n. Therefore the value of n is nothing but 13. So the 13th term of both the APs are same. The 13th term of both the APs are same is what asked in the question 15, right? So again I am repeating, such an easy lesson in your class, right? Don't get panic. Such an easy lesson, even from the board exam point of view, such an easy lesson. Only thing is you need to actually you need to understand what the question is being asked, right? Whatever the question may be, first write the value of a, d, a, n. Find the value, no problem in that. Even if you don't know the question what is asked, or you don't know the formula which has to be carried out, just find the value of a, n if not given, d, and an minus 1, I'm sorry, an. So and in the next we will see the sum values also in the upcoming second video. After this I will just post the sum values also, that exercise, that entire concepts of sum. So if you don't know in the any of your class exams, I mean the school exams or even the board exams sometimes, in uncertain conditions, you kindly just write what is given, that is a, find the value of d if not given, then a and n, then the sn values. This will fetch you more marks. Even if you don't know that sum, you just don't leave that it will really fetch you some marks. See, something is better than nothing, right? So this fetch you more marks in board exam point of view as well as in your school exams also. So kindly practice this more. So in the next video we will see from 16th to 20th question of this exercise 5.2, and I'll put I'll just add the old videos in my description of this video, so it will be very easy for you to see the previous videos of mine. And do subscribe my channel for more updates, and share this video to your friends, which will be very useful for their improvising, right, for them to improve in this video, I mean in this lesson. And just watch my previous videos which I have posted for real numbers, polynomials, and I have just started now, so I will post as soon as possible more videos for your betterment. Right, so in the next video, as I told you, we will see the 16th question to 20th question, and further we will see the sum and their exercise that is present. Right, thank you.